Hey all, Ankit Kisore this side from Stray Fleet and welcome back to my channel. So this is Bank Nifty chart and these are the levels, smart using volume profile and price action. So let's directly get into Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. But yeah, before giving analysis for tomorrow, let me give you a kind of follow up of Friday's analysis. Okay, sorry, of Sunday's analysis. So see here market opened a big gap down which was not at all expected, but after watching SGX that morning it was quite quite obvious that it might open big gap down, and the same happened. And after that if you will see in that particular chart, means Bank Nifty it might not be visible in that form, but if you will see Nifty after opening gap down, it keep on going up only. Okay, and here is sustained, but the IVS spike did not let any option seller to earn. Okay, I too had taken a position, let me show you that. Okay, and I booked around 9k of loss, and this is very good, means I don't have any regrets about this lot, just because from a straight 13 days I was in profit. Okay, and at the same time this loss is way within my limit. It is just 0.45% of the capital used, not even my all capital. It is just of the 0.45% of the capital used, so this won't hurt me, although the risk which I have kept for today was 20k almost. Okay, but I was so uncomfortable when I was trading in that particular thing. Okay, so I decided that I have to wrap it up as soon as possible, and that's what I did. And here I have taken the exit, and after then you can see the fall yourself. And the spike and IV keep on happening from in this particular zone also. Okay, it didn't let us to get even 2 or 3 points of decay, and in this particular zone it's only because of the IVS spike that I lost that particular thing. Okay, that particular amount, otherwise my position was completely delta neutral. Okay, this is for non-directional trader only can understand this. Okay, so leave it, and just now I'm just going to analyze for tomorrow. So see this particular zone. Okay, wait, सी अगर मार्केट यहाँ पे कहीं पे खुलता है इस जोन में, तो ये साइडवेज ओपनिंग होगा, ये गैप डाउन ओपनिंग होगा, राइट. सो ये बोथ जोन विल फॉल इन दिस पर्टिकुलर बिग जोन विच इज फ्रॉम 34,885 to 35,245. This is a very big zone of around 350 points. Okay, so what you have to do in this particular 350 360 points, so what you have to do in this zone if you are a non-directional trader, so this is very easy for you कि आपको बस क्या करना है, इसके ऊपर का जो भी पुट कॉल है which is 34,200 or 300 whatever you will like at that point of time, and which will equals somewhere around to the premium of 34,900 P. जो भी 34,900 P के प्रीमियम के इक्वल होगा, या फिर 34,200 या 34,300, आप उसे सेल करना और वो स्ट्रैंगल क्रिएट करके रखना, और उससे तब तक आप होल्ड करना. यू जस्ट हैव टू होल्ड दिस टिल द पॉइंट इधर दिस और दिस गेट्स ब्रोकन. Okay, I know for non-directional trader this is a very big zone, so here the movement might trigger a kind of IVS spike. Okay, but you just have to wait. Okay, you don't have to book the position, even if it will be in some kind of loss, no problem. Till the time either this or this doesn't get triggered, you have to be in this particular zone. Okay, you have to be in this particular trade. ओके, और अगर इस जोन पे अगर ये काफ़ी देर रुकता है, मीन्स जो यहाँ पे या फिर इतना देर जो रहा, अगर ऐसा यहाँ पे कहीं रहता है, तो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि टुमारो वी माइट सी अ गुड डीके ऑफ समवेयर अराउंड 50-60 पॉइंट. ओके, so this is what you have to do if you are a non-directional trader. And for directional trader what you have to do, ये काफ़ी बड़ा जोन है, तो here you can again look for swing entry. मीन्स अगर ये मार्केट फॉर एग्जांपल गैप डाउन खुला, उसके बाद इट कीप ऑन गोइंग अप एंड अप एंड अप, एंड आफ्टर देन हियर इट शोज सम रिजेक्शन. सो आपको क्या करना है, जैसे ही यहाँ पे रेड कैंडल बनता है उसको फॉलोअप मिलता है, यू हैव टू टेक एंटर विथ 80 पॉइंट एट मैक्स एसएल, और यू हैव टू लुक फॉर दिस मच ऑफ टारगेट. ओके, सो हियर ऑल्सो द मिनिमम टारगेट विच you will be having is more than actually 1:1.5. That's what I'm expecting, and your target should be just this one, not this one. Okay, keep this in your mind. And the same you have to do here. Means अगर नीचे आ रहा है, यहाँ पे आपको रिजेक्शन मिलता हुआ दिख रहा है, you have to take entry, means proper price action, and then you have to take the target. This is how you have to trade. And the second thing what you can do here is means leaving this particular zone. आप यहाँ पे जैसे ये ब्रेक करे, इन दोनों में से कोई भी आपको एंट्री करना. आई नो दिस इज़ वेरी स्मॉल जोन ऑफ 90 पॉइंट ओनली, सो हियर यू हैव टू कीप एंट्री विथ 40 पॉइंट ऑफ एसएल. आई नो दिस इज़ अ वेरी क्विक स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड फॉर यू. ओके, एंड हियर अगर आपको टारगेट 15 से 20 मिनट में नहीं मिलता है तो यू जस्ट हैव टू एग्जिट विथ वॉट एवर प्रॉफिट यू माइट बी हैविंग एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. ओके, और यहाँ पे ये काफ़ी बड़ा जोन है. So here you can wait. This is actually a very big zone of 210 points. So here you have to keep a SL of around 110 points. Okay. So this is for gap up, gap down opening, sideways opening. Now the last, what if market open gap up? तो अगर market gap up खुलता है यहाँ पे, so it will open in this zone which is from 35,180 to 35,520. Still this is a big zone. Okay, so still you have to plan the same thing. I'm talking about directional trader. You have to plan the same thing कि आप यहाँ पे swing trade का entry ले सकते हो दोनों साइड, इधर भी और इधर भी. Okay, and for non directional trader very easy. It is very easy. You have to sell 35,200 P and 35,500 C and you have to keep on holding this triangle delta point. Either this or this gets broken. Okay, और जो decay मिलता है just try to capture that because the movement in the second half actually trigger a good IVS spike. So better to take exit before 12:30 or 1 only. Okay, and the same actually I did also. Let me show you that. Wait. See, so this is the place where I have taken exit. Yeah, this particular candle I have taken exit. Why? Because 12:40 is the time. If you will see this particular candle, 12:40 is the time. So that is why I have taken exit. क्योंकि उसके बाद I don't want to get myself trapped in huge IVS spike. Although IVS spike was happening till from here only, but after here it might have triggered much more IVS spike than expected. Okay, so my 9k of loss much would have converted into 18k or 15k or 20k, and that will be an unnecessary loss, right? Because that won't be from something which is not known to us. Okay, हम लोग जानते थे. I did the analysis and because that only I thought कि चलो I will take the exit. This is how it happens. ओके, एंड द सेम यू हैव ऑल्सो हैव टू डू कि अगर आपको 12:30 तक अगर आपको अच्छा टारगेट मिल रहा है, ट्राई टू टेक एग्जिट. दैट्स इट. Try to make things as simple as possible for yourself. So this is all as analysis for both directional and non-directional trader, and this is how you have to behave. And take a screenshot of these labels. Although I have spelled out this wait. This labels I have spelled out this also, and this also. Okay. So but you still you have to take the screenshot so that you can take you can keep them for your reference for tomorrow. So that's all from my end, and this is my Telegram channel. So here today I didn't post anything because I was busy in my own trades, and at the same time I already have told you that some work is going on related to companies, related to LLP registration, and there are many more things which are related to documentation. तो वहाँ पे भी मैं थोड़ा busy हूँ. So for the coming few days I might not be that active, but after then I am planning many things for you and you will definitely love it. Okay, so okay, just pardon me for few days, and thanks a lot for your time. And one more thing, if you like my content then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.